Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily install the Adobe Premiere Pro on your laptop or your computer. So in order to begin, open your desired browser. Once you're in your browser, you have to go onto the search bar and type in download Adobe Premiere Pro and click on search. You can see all these options here. You have to go onto the adobe.com website here. You can see it's the second option for me. It may vary according to you. So let me open this one. You have to choose the one which has the adobe.com. You have to click on it. And now it will show you this option to start 7-day free trial of Premiere Pro. What you'll have to do is click on the start free trial option. Now it will ask you for some options. So what you will do is choose this annually billed option and click on continue. You can choose any of the plan that you would like and you can click on continue. Let's just wait for it to be loaded. So once that's done, you can see it's due now of $0 per month because we actually get a 7-day free trial for the program. So once that's done, you'll have to make a payment. I'll show you how everything in detail. So once that's done, you can click on the continue option. Okay, now it will ask you to enter your email address. If you already have a Adobe ID, you can log into that email address, or else I'll just type in my email address and click on continue. Okay, so once that's done, you can see your email account here, and now it will ask you to add your payment method. So for now, you can choose any of the payment method that you would like. So you can actually add a credit card or debit card, or you actually link your PayPal account or use Amazon Pay to do the payment. So we will just do the credit card information. So what you'll have to do is enter your credit card information and fill everything, and you can click on agree and subscribe. So once you click on it, you will have a page where you can download the application. So yep, and after completing this page, you will get to the Creative Cloud application, and it will start the downloading of the Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's how you can easily download and install the Adobe Premiere Pro on your desktop. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.